Good evening. This is your RNQ news with breaking developments in the escalating US Iran conflict. In the most significant military escalation at the United States has carried out precision air strikes on Iran's strategic Kharg Island, the beating the beating heart of Iran's all export infrastructure. President Donald Trump announced late Friday that US Central Command forces totally obliterated more than 90 Iranian military targets on the island, including air defense system, naval bases, and missile facilities. Crucially, the president emphasized that vital oil terminals and export infrastructure were deliberately spared for now. Trump posted on Truth Social moments ago at my direction, the United States Central Command executed one of the most powerful bombing raids in the history of the Middle East and totally oblig- obliterated every military targets in the Iran's crown jewel, Kharg Island. I have chosen not to wipe out the oil infrastructure on the island. However, should Iran or anyone else do anything to interfere with the free and safe passage of ships through the Strait of Hormuz, I will immediately reconsider this decision. Kharg Island handles approximately 90% of Iran's crude oil export, making it a critical economic lifeline for Tehran. Analysts warn that any future strike on the oil facilities could send global oil prices skyrocketing even further, with gas, gasoline already up 25% in the US amid the ongoing blockade threat in the Strait of Hormuz. In follow up comments to NBC News today, President Trump doubled down, saying Iran appears defeated militarily and ready for a deal, but the terms are not good enough yet. He went further, warning he may hit it a few more times just for fun. Iran has responded with strong condemnation. Tehran insists oil exports from Khark continue normally despite the strike, and senior officials have vowed retaliation if oil infrastructure is targeted, with one minister warning US linked facilities could be reduced to a pile of ashes. The conflict, now in its third week, has already claimed thousands of lives across the region, with fresh reports of Iranian missile and drone attacks on Israel and US allies. President Trump has called on Britain, France, China, and other nations to deploy warship and help secure the Strait of Hormuz, warning that free passage of oil tankers is non-negotiable. As the world watches, the risk of a wider regional war and a full-blown energy crisis grown by the hour. We'll have more analysis and live updates from the region right after this break. Stay with us. Thank you.